Good morning, dear students. You are most welcome to my class. My name is Harendra Tiwari from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. In the previous video, I explained that mole concept. There we have derived a relation between the number of particles and mass. The application of this concept, there we have understood that it gives us understanding how the mass of a particular substance is related to the number of particles. That particles may be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, protons, neutrons. Today we will practice some calculations based on the mole concept. So our subtopic for today is calculation based on mole concept. The knowledge we acquired in past is 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, and that is equal to molar mass of the substance. We can write 1 mole such as 1 mole equal to, this value is in honor of Avogadro's, Amadeo Avogadro's. We call the Avogadro number N0, and that will equal to molar mass. For example, if I take here, the example is 1 mole hydrogen atom, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom of hydrogen, and the mass is 1 gram. In case of 1 mole hydrogen molecule, the number will remain same, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule. Here we write molecules, but the molar mass of the hydrogen molecule will be 2 gram. Why the 2 gram? Because 1 molecule of hydrogen is formed by the combination of 2 atoms of hydrogen. So here the 1 mole of hydrogen, 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms, the mass is the 1 gram. So now you tell me the 1 mole hydrogen molecule means 1 mole H2 means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. This is the Avogadro number in case of atoms. So this value with respect to atom we can write here 2 multiply by 2. So the number, the mass, whatever the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, that will be double. Yes or no? That will be double. So now 2 gram. Suppose this hydrogen atom, suppose any atoms is formed by the any molecule is formed by 3 atoms, then our mass will be triple. In case of ozone, for example, 1 mole of oxygen atom, so that will be equal 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, that will equal to 16 gram. But if I tell you 1 mole of ozone, so ozone is formed that 3 atoms of oxygen. The number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of ozone, that will equal to 16 into 3 because one molecule is formed by the 3 atoms. So this number will be triple. So 16 into 3 gram. 16 into 3 gram. So what will be 48 gram mass of 1 mole of ozone gas. O3, 3 atoms. O3, oxygen plus oxygen plus oxygen. So this is the 1 mole. This is a 1 mole. This is 1 mole atom. This is atom. So total number of mole atom, 3 mole atom. Means mass of 1 mole atom is 16 gram, then 16 gram, then 16 gram, and then we get the 48 gram. Is it clear? The atomic mass and molecular mass. Sorry, 1 mole of hydrogen atom mass is the something, 1 mole of hydrogen molecule mass is something, right? Now you remember this relation? I am coming to the some numerical problem. Now the question is here. Question: calculate the number of mole present in 24 gram of carbon. 24 gram of carbon means if you may take a mass of 24 gram of carbon, then how many number of moles are present? The information: if molar mass of carbon 12 is 12 gram, this is carbon 12. Now, so sir, number of mole are present in 24 gram, mass of 1 mole 12 gram, so 24 gram divided by 12 gram we get the 2 mole. Listen, 1 mole mass 12 gram, so 24 gram mass will be, this is the double of the 12 gram na? But by applying the unitary method we will solve it. Since mass of 1 mole carbon 12 is 12 gram, therefore the number of mole in 12 gram of carbon 12 will equal to 12 gram of carbon 12. 1 mole is equal to 12 gram. So 1 divided by 12 gram, then multiply by sorry, I did a mistake here. Sorry, 24 gram na? We need to find out the in 24 gram. The number of mole in 24 gram multiply by 24 gram, the number of mole. This is a 1 mole. Clear? Now 12 2 ja 24, gram cancel, 2 into 1, we got the 2 mole. So if the mass is given, we can easily calculate the number of mole. So now can we make any formula that make our study easier? So yes, of course. Now see that what is this value? What we have calculated? We have calculated number of mole. So we can write number of mole is equal to, now see, this is the mass given. This is a given mass. Can we write given mass as? Of course, why not? And this is the what? 12 gram. It is a mass of 1 mole of the substance. Carbon means molar mass, can we write molar mass? So now we have a relation that we call, this is a formula, number of mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass. So no need to write this statement, directly you can apply this formula, number of mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass. The symbol we use for the number of mole is N, and given mass is small w and molar mass is the capital M. So N is equal to W by M will give, this relation will give us the calculation, this relation make us our calculation easier. If we have the information about number of mole and we don't know the given mass, we can easily calculate. So I am writing this formula here, number of mole N is equal to W by M given mass upon molar mass. So first formula we have derived, that is based on the stoichiometric calculation. Clear? Now the second question I am going to give you, second question, that is based on this formula only, that is based on the question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2. Find out the mass of 5 mole of oxygen atom. 5 mole of oxygen atom given here, given molar mass, either molar mass given or either you need to remember it. Molar mass of oxygen is equal to oxygen atom 16 gram. Clear? Now solution. See here. See, given molar mass of oxygen atom. Now see solution. The formula, the value of N is given, number of mole given here, number of mole N is equal to 5. Another information we have, molar mass, that is 16 gram. Clear? Now we need to calculate the mass of oxygen, that is W, need to calculate. Directly you write on applying formula. This is N, number of mole is equal to mass, given mass, tell or mass you can write directly, mass W divided by molar mass capital M. So put the value, number of mole is 5 mole, that will equal to mass W we don't know, then molar mass is that 16 gram, this is the per mole. When you write the value, then along with the value unit must be written. So now it will be W is equal to here, W is equal to 5 mole into 16 gram per mole, mole cancel, we got the W is equal to 80 gram, means 80 gram oxygen atom mass will equal to 5 mole. Clear? Now see the question number 3. Question number 3. Calculate the number of mole present in 64 gram of oxygen gas. Molar mass. Now tell me what will be the molar mass here 32 gram or 16 gram. What will be the molar mass of the oxygen gas? One point I tell you, if given oxygen atom, then you take the 16 gram. But if given in the question about the oxygen gas or oxygen molecule, then you need to take 32 gram is the molar mass. Because in the oxygen atom, the mass of 1 mole of the oxygen is 16 gram. In case of oxygen gas, so oxygen atoms exist in the form of gas as a diatomic molecule, O2 form. So 16 plus 16, 32 gram. Is it clear? If asking, for example, here I take sodium. So sodium atom molar mass 23 gram. Always you take. There is no confusion. But in case of gases, nitrogen, if they ask in the question, what will be the molar mass of nitrogen atom, then you will write 28 gram. 14 gram nitrogen atom. But nitrogen gas means what? Nitrogen molecule. Then your molar mass should be 28 gram. If helium gas, then the molar mass always same. But we try to understand difference between atoms and molecule. If asking what is the molar mass of hydrogen gas, then the molar mass of hydrogen gas 2 gram. Because in hydrogen gas, the single existence of the particles in the form of molecule. But if asked what is the molar mass of hydrogen atom, then you reply 1 gram. What is the molar mass of chlorine? Then you will chlorine atom, then you reply 35.5 gram per mole. But what is the molar mass of chlorine gas? Then you need to reply 71 gram per mole. Are you getting my point? Because the chlorine is formed by the Cl2. Chlorine gas, one molecule of chlorine is formed by the combination of 2 atoms of the chlorine. So now here we will take 32 gram as a molar mass. So if in the question given, then no problem. But sometimes examiner or the questioner, they does not give the value. It is depend on our understanding and learning power. When we take the 16 gram, when we take the 32 gram. In case of atom, we take the 60 gram, and in case of the molecule or gas written, then you take the 32 gram. So now question is calculate the number of mole present in 64 gram of oxygen gas, molar mass 32 gram. Suppose molar mass is not given. Suppose the case molar mass is not given. Now note down the given. What are the information we have? Given information. So given information we have mass of oxygen gas, that we denote by the term W, 64 gram. Molar mass. So molar mass we need to learn of oxygen gas here will be 32 gram. Now 32 gram. Now according to question we need to calculate number of mole, and we don't know. That's why we are going to calculate. Now see, on applying formula, the formula is what? Number of mole is equal to given mass, this is a W, divided by molar mass, capital M, this is a N. So number of mole N is equal to given mass, so W. So W is given 64 gram. A molar mass is what? 32 gram per mole. So here we will write 32 gram per mole. Now 32 gram cancel, 32 to ja 64 gram. So now N is equal to, and mole will go up to mole. So this is our answer. We got the 2 mole. Is it clear? How to calculate? Let the number of mole. Okay. Note it down. Then we do once. Now question number 4. Question number 4. How many number of moles are in 54 gram of water? This is the question. Information we have here given mass of water H2 18 gram. Clear? Now let me check that is clear too. Water 18 gram. Molar mass of water, so that we do not have information what is the molar mass of water. So now learn how will you calculate the molar mass of water. The molar mass of water is same as how we have calculated the molecular mass of formula unit mass of the given molecule. Same as here we will calculate the molar mass of given substance. The molar mass of water is that what? How many number of atoms of the hydrogen? 2 into molar mass of hydrogen plus 1 into molar mass of oxygen. So molar mass of hydrogen and molar mass of oxygen, that may be given in the question, such as hydrogen 1 gram or oxygen 1 gram. Maybe it is not written in gram, sometime they have written to 16 gram, 16 U. In the formation of U, atomic mass unit, the information we get may be possible. So you will take that in the term of graph, that is understood. Numerical value are same. Then now 2 into molar mass of hydrogen is 1 gram plus 1 into molar mass of oxygen is 16 gram. Here we got the molar mass of water is 18 gram. Now on applying the formula, number of mole is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. So number of mole we need to calculate, and this is N, W and M. Given mass is 54 gram divided by 18 gram. 18 gram per mole we need to write. Then gram cancel. 18 3 ja 54. N is equal to, we got 3 mole will go up, 3 mole. So 3 mole of water. So that's all about today. Here I had discussed the many problems, basic problems that based on the mole concept. This is a very simple problems. The some more complex problems may based on the mole concept calculation. So that we will learn in the next class. In next class, how do we calculate the Avogadro number? If we have the information, if we have information about the number of molecule or number of atoms, then how we will calculate the given mass, a mass of the substance. So let us see, wait and watch in the next class. At last I tell you, thank you for your patience and cooperation. Wish you all the best.